Hi friends. Because there's more to style than just getting dressed, in this video I'm sharing how I use the Jade facial roller and the benefits I've discovered while doing this practice. So what does jade rolling have to do with style? My definition of style is when all aspects of yourself, including wardrobe, are in harmony. With that being said, in order for us to obtain that level of harmony, it's important to spend quality time with ourselves. Jade rolling is just one way to slow down and enjoy spending time loving yourself. So as you can see, I'm in the middle of pampering myself. I just finished face cleansing, and while my hair is marinating in a nice hydrating conditioner, I'm going to deepen my experience by using my jade roller. After cleansing my face, I applied my facial oil. Currently I'm using 100% organic with rosehip by Botanics. And you can visit my beauty bar at Style with Glenda K Harrison to see all the products that I'm currently using. So now that my oil is applied, I'm ready to begin my practice. So this is my Jade facial roller. You'll see that it is two-sided. This one, some are just one-sided. I decided on the two-sided one. It has a larger jade on one side and then a smaller one. The larger side is to use for the larger portions of your face, and then the small one is used for the small areas on your face. So what I do is I keep mine in the refrigerator so that it stays nice and cool, and I just simply roll it, push it gently across my face. Now, they say the jade roller helps with lymphatic drainage, and since our face and our neck has lymph nodes, what I like to do is push gently toward the actual lymph node. And the coolness of the jade just feels fantastic against my skin. It's rejuvenating. I can just feel the coolness sensation. It just feels very calming and relaxing. So I push and then roll back gently. And I'm not like pushing really hard. It's just a gentleness to what I'm doing. And I like to roll it on my neck. You can hear it squeaking. And I take it on every part of my face. I like to get in there in the creases there. Now they say the jade roller is supposed to help with pore minimization, with deep puffiness under the eyes, and wrinkles. And to be perfectly honest, I'm not sure if the jade roller actually does those things. But one thing I can say is that since I've been using it, the texture of my skin has felt fantastic. Just nice and smooth. When I go over my eye area, I go over my brow bone, and then I close my eye, and then under my eye. I do the same thing on both sides of my face. It feels really good, friends. And you're supposed to do it, well, I guess you could do it any time of day you want. I do mine in the morning, and then sometimes I even do it at night because it just feels so good. And I love spending that time with myself. So, I'm just wondering what you guys are thinking of me doing this. I would love it if you would leave comments. Let me know if you jade roll or rose quartz roll. So there it is, friends. There's the jade roller. It also comes in rose quartz. So let me know your thoughts on this. I happen to enjoy it very, very much. So I hope you enjoyed this demonstration and will now consider adding jade rolling to your self-care practice. Bye for now.